Cold weather kills phone batteries in minutes. Knowing how to read contour lines works at 0% charge. We all love GPS apps like Gaia or AllTrails, but relying 100% on a touchscreen is a safety liability. Screens crack, batteries die in the cold, and software glitches. Layer 2 of our series focuses on ensuring your safety with analog skills that never run out of power. The foundation of navigation isn't the compass, it's the topographic map. Unlike Google Maps, which shows roads, a topo map translates the 3D world onto 2D paper using contour lines. Understanding this language of terrain lets you see hills and valleys before you walk them. Contour lines connect points of equal elevation. The golden rule is simple. The proximity of the lines dictates the intensity of the slope. Mastering this glance value assessment prevents you from accidentally planning a route up a vertical cliff. Now, the compass. Many beginners buy expensive military-style Landsat compasses, but a clear baseplate compass like a Suunto or Silva is actually better for map work. The clear base allows you to see the map details underneath, which is essential for the most critical skill, orienting the map. Before you walk, you must understand that magnetic north, where the needle points, is rarely the same as true north, the top of the map. This difference is called declination. In some areas, this error can put you a mile off course over a long hike. However, you don't need to be a mathematician to stay found. The most practical skill is simply orienting the map. Turn your entire map until the magnetic north lines on the paper align with the red needle of your compass. Now, the terrain on paper matches the reality in front of you. Once your map is oriented, use terrain association. Identify big features like a ridge line, a handrail, or a river, a catchment feature. Instead of staring at your compass every step, you navigate by keeping these massive features on your left or right. If you are truly off-trail or in whiteout conditions, you need to take a bearing. This creates a straight line of travel to follow. It requires precision, but it's the ultimate lifeline when visibility drops to zero. The smartest hikers use a hybrid approach. Use your phone GPS for speed and convenience, but keep a printed map in a Ziploc bag in your pocket. Check the paper map at every snack break to stay mentally connected to the landscape. Don't wait for an emergency to learn this. On your next familiar trail, challenge yourself to navigate using only the paper map, keeping your phone in your pocket as a backup. It turns a standard hike into a valuable training mission. Trust your skills, not just your battery.